Paul says sangrofo no womo ye beriafo no womo ye kristofo papa chain womo ane wo Thessalonica for the womo pon a no mato mo Bible na twene na womo kopa echi da kwan another kwasie da no womo de ntoma go apepa ho no womo san betena se manka Ghana for me say Thessalonica for I didn't even say alabaster for me say Thessalonica for Thessalonica for dear one more say there should be a preacher with a name all the time on the pulpit say yeah revival na preacher no only be in some kind of spectacularity. Thessalonica for oman sorry no Thessalonica for anyone more one kwa sorry because ye chentoma ye chemo ye che sichire ye che anwa Thessalonica for no I'm building on something. The Thessalonica for na one more bar sorry na say next week one man one from my Maria more Thessalonica for ja sorry one more nyanso abode e wo mo ma ye wo mo nana wo mo sewa wo mo wo fa nua kuma enua ba na no owu ye no wa mo nsawa Thessalonica for o meja sorry Thessalonica for in the betimi akase e die benti and asofo ne preach obo mama comfort din one mumidi Thessalonica for in the timika say you twitwa pictures wa alabaster aye even a catalog e mo bia ni wa me picture wom Thessalonica for no that is Thessalonica for yeah there be our head down kwansem e wo Thessalonica wa o he TV ni so a nyansem no a ye ka no and wo nanim no wo se bebe TV ni so a Thessalonica for no yeah Thessalonica for e person wo som wo baby a ye the camera ato wo so na ye showcase you Thessalonica for wo mo person wo ye prayer warriors Omoshe baby and yet Thessalonica for no they split them into two. Yeah, they are always split into two. And so now he is speaking to the Christians in Berea and the Christians in Thessalonica. Now the question then becomes you know, when it comes to the love of God, the grace of God, that when you are born again Christian, and so then I want to ask the question, Thessalonica for the dance song, and I will refer back to Galatians chapter 1 and verse number 11. Paul